When you're deciding whether to go on a do-it-yourself hunt or a guided hunt, you need to take into consideration that it's going to take time to find where the elk are. It's going to take some money that you're going to have to buy different things like elk calls, and you're going to have to learn how to use them. Most hunts are 15 days. If you got 15 days to go out there and explore and learn the country, going with a guide, you typically don't have to learn how to use a cow call. They'll do it all for you. You don't have to find the elk because they already know where it's at. You don't have to learn the country because they already have their spots learned. And you don't have to worry about getting the meat out because your outfitter and guide are going to take care of you and they're going to get your meat out successfully. You're not putting yourself in a predicament where you can hurt yourself. And when you're calling a bull in, that if you have a guide 80 yards behind you, it's just going to add so much more of a success rate than if you're doing the cow calling, because that bull is coming in, he's looking for the person that's 80 yards behind you. He's not looking for you. So you're going to have a very successful opportunity if you're going with a guide. Also, guides are putting in a lot of time. They're going out there and scouting before you even go out there. Usually guides have lived in that country their whole life, so they've been hunting it since they're little kids most of the time, so they know every road, every trail. And also the benefits of going with an outfitter and a guide is people don't understand how big an elk is and how much time it takes to get an elk cut up and get the meat successfully back to your truck. Here we use mules, and we go in with our mules and pack out all the meat. It takes a lot of time. And on a do-it-yourself hunt, if you're 6 miles back in the wilderness and you kill a bull and get it all quartered up, awesome, but how are you gonna get that thing out? It's gonna take you 2 days to get it out. If you can go on a guided hunt, that's gonna be your best bet.